Most people assume you need a massive, power-hungry desktop tower to run serious artificial intelligence models locally. They assume you need a room-sized server rack or a noisy workstation that doubles as a space heater. But that old logic is dying fast. Right now, there's a tiny box roughly the size of a lunchbox that is changing the game for developers everywhere. It packs a high-end 16-core processor with a dedicated neural processing unit designed specifically for smart workloads. This little unit manages 50 trillion operations every single second. That is not just a random number on a spec sheet. It means you can run complex language models right on your desk without ever touching the cloud. Think about the privacy implications. You are keeping your data local and your private workflows entirely off the internet. I saw this machine hitting over 20 words per second on a popular open source model. That speed is incredible for something you could practically fit in a coat pocket. You can even max this thing out with a staggering amount of memory. We're talking about over 100 gigabytes of high-speed memory. That is the kind of headroom usually reserved for massive professional workstations. For storage, you can slot in 8 terabytes of ultra-fast solid-state drives. It is a dream for anyone building a home lab or a massive personal media library. The connectivity is top tier, too. You get dual high-speed wired internet ports and the absolute latest wireless standard. It supports 3 separate ultra-high-definition displays. You can have your code on one screen, your terminal on the second, and your documentation on the third. But let us be real about the trade-offs. This is definitely not a gaming rig. If you want to play the latest high-fidelity titles, you should look elsewhere. The integrated graphics chip just is not built for that heavy lifting. Also, when you really push that processor to its limits, the cooling fan lets you know it is working. It gets a bit noisy when things get intense. You might want some noise-canceling headphones if you are running heavy benchmarks all day. Despite those minor gripes, the sheer horsepower per square inch is hard to beat. It represents a massive shift in how we think about local computing. You no longer need to rely on expensive cloud subscriptions to test your latest projects. You can do it all while sitting at your kitchen table. The flexibility here is the real selling point. It is small enough to hide behind a monitor, but powerful enough to handle serious multitasking without breaking a sweat. Developers craving independence from big tech should pay close attention. It is a specialized tool for a specific kind of creator. It prioritizes raw processing power and massive memory over flashy lights or gaming performance. If you need a compact hub for your experiments, this might be the most sensible investment you make this year. It proves that size really does not dictate capability anymore. We're entering an era where your local machine can actually keep up with your fastest ideas. This machine is a testament to how far engineering has come. It bridges the gap between portability and professional-grade performance. You get the raw speed you need without the bulk of a traditional tower. It is a fascinating piece of hardware that focuses on modern coding. No fluff, just pure local horsepower and a tiny footprint.